Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another training video. And today I'm going to show you how to get trading signals or trading opportunities on synthetic indices, okay, which are available on derivative markets on the Metatrader 5 platform, okay? So these markets are very volatile, okay? You need to have that understanding that these are markets that move very frequently and the volume is pretty high. Okay, so when there's a lot of volatility like this, then it means that there are many opportunities for us to have potential trades that can make money. Okay, that's what we want. We want to make money when there are trading opportunities, because if the price moves, then we can get a bag. Or you understand what I'm saying? So in this video, I'm just going to show you how to find those opportunities using a very simple method, right? So this method will work on your volatility 75 index, your step index, your crash index, your boom index. Okay, so even if you want to trade on Forex pairs, if you're on Metatrader 5, you can also use this method on Forex pairs. It's also applicable, okay, and very easy, right? So if you direct your attention to the screen, guys, this is a chart on crash 1000, and on crash 1000 there is a sell example. Okay, so I'm going to show you why I say it's a sell example. Just give me a second, right? So there's a few things that we can look at here in this particular screen, right, or on this particular chart. There's three things, guys. You've got the dashboard on the left, which shows you the direction of the trend based off of the different time frames. So if you look at the top left, you can see on the 1 minute chart we've got a downtrend, on the 5 minute chart we've got a downtrend, the 15-minute chart we've got a downtrend, on the 30-minute chart we've got a downtrend, on the 1 hour chart we've got a uptrend all the way up to the daily chart. Okay, so you firstly decide which time frame you want to trade. So for this particular example, guys, I'm going to trade on the 15-minute chart. Okay, so on the 15-minute chart we can see that we have a downtrend, right? Awesome. So now once we've established the trend, okay, then we have an idea. If it's a downtrend, guys, it means that we need to be looking for selling opportunities, right? And then the next thing that we look at is what the signal entry is telling us. So that if you guys see that here it's written buy or sell, that's the trading signal. Okay, the signal entry. It means that what you need to do is you need to sell or you need to buy. So in this particular case, we need to sell. So it's on the 15-minute chart, we've got a downtrend and the indicator is telling us to sell. Okay, so we look at the chart, we can see that, okay, there was an arrow and then that arrow is pointing down. This is where the market currently is. So according to the indicator, that this is a downtrend and most likely this market is going to continue to go down. So we know where to get into the market. So right here, this is where we're going to open up a sell trade. Again, very easy. And then now, obviously, if you get into a trade, you need to know when to get out. So the next thing that you look at is these purple lines right here. These purple lines are moving with the market. These are our support and our resistance. We're going to use these lines as our exit line. So if we're selling, we're going to sell and then we're going to target the next purple line, which is the next support. Okay, if we're buying, we target the next purple line, which is a resistance. So that's how we trade. So we'd enter for a sell right there, and then we use the take profit level that we find from our support level. Okay, and then our stop loss, if you look at the price, you can see that there's this dashed line right there. Okay, so this dashed line that's moving behind the price, this is where we're going to put our stop loss. Okay, so we put our entry here, we put our take profit there, we put our stop loss, and there, just like that, we have a trade, guys. Okay, now I see you guys also wondering, what's this indicator here at the bottom? This indicator here at the bottom is basically there to help us to see what is happening with the momentum. Okay, so what I like to do once I get a potential trade that I want to get into, I want to look at this bottom indicator right here, and if I'm getting in for sell, for instance, and I see that the momentum is all sells down here, then that further gives me confidence to get in for the trade. Okay, so that's how I would actually pop in this trade. So let's just pop this trade in and show you guys exactly what we mean. Okay, so let me just put the lot size. So hold on, put the lot size that I want. Let's put in 50 cents. Okay, and then what we're going to do, we're going to sell. Right, we've got our sell open, and then let's drag and drop to our take profit. So our take profit is right there, and then let's drag and drop to our stop losses right there. Very easy, guys. That was so easy. So that's how we have our trade. Okay, so now the next thing that you need to do is just monitor the trade and allow it to do what it do. Okay, so now let's have a look at a buy example. Okay, so this is another example that we can trade, another example that we can use to show you guys how to trade. So right now you guys can see this is step index on the daily chart, and then we come down here to our dashboard indicator. We can see that on the daily chart we have an uptrend, even all the way down to the minute chart. So this tells you that this is a market that's going up right now. And in an up market, we are looking to get in for buy trades. Okay, so the next thing we look at is we look at the entry signal indicator. As you guys can see, is telling us that on the buy, we need to get in for buy on this particular market right now. So you can see that we'd open up a buy right there, and then that's where we'd enter. Okay, and then if we look at our bottom momentum indicator, we can see that the market is indeed going up. Okay, so this gives us confidence that we need to jump in for the markets. Okay, so since we know where to get into the market, we know that we're supposed to buy there. Now we need to know our exit points. Okay, so since we're buying, we look to the top. So our take profit is going to be the next resistance. So that purple line right there represents resistance. If it was above this purple line, we target that top purple line. Okay, so now since we're getting into that place right there, our take profit is going to be placed toward the next resistance. Okay, now that's where we're going to put our take profit, and then we're going to put our stop loss. So if you look at the price, you can see there's this dashed line that's following the price just behind it, and as you guys can see, there's a dashed line right there. So this is where we put our stop loss. Okay, and then just like that, we have our trade. So let's just plug it in right now and let's see what it do. So we're going to open up our buy trade right now, and then boom, because that's what the indicator told us, and then we're going to just drag and drop our take profit toward the next resistance right there, boom, and then we're going to drag and drop toward the stop loss level, boom. And then just like that, guys, you have your buy signal and you've got your sell signal. So the next thing that you do after this, guys, is you just need to allow the market to develop. You know, as the market moves, depending on the time frame that you're trading, you need to monitor it. And as you get into profit, you need to start managing your trade by trailing your stops and maybe adding positions if you believe that the market is still going to continue in the direction that you wanted it to go. But yeah, anyways, guys, that's how you can trade on Metatrader 5. That's what you can use to analyze and find possible opportunities on the synthetic indices. So if you guys are interested in this trading indicator, just comment below or just send a DM or just click in our website link, and then you can purchase and download this for yourself. So anyways, thank you so much, guys, for watching the video. I'll see you guys on the next one.